way of the heart is the way of love. The way of love is the way of a human being. Our way, our natural way of being is to be loving.
The way of the heart is the way of feeling the love in your heart. And the love is what drives you, the love is what makes you take steps and decisions toward fulfilling yourself and being happy. The heart wants good things. When we learn to trust and to feel our heart again, we make the right decisions in our life. If you know that there is something burning in your heart that you want to fulfill, if you want to be happy, there is nothing more precious than to taking 1 month of your life to invest your full energy and attention in your own personal blossom.
If I look inside and I'm honest, then I find a part of me really wants to change. I want to become a better human being, I want to become more loving, I want to be kinder, more compassionate. And if I also look, there's a big part where I don't want to change at all. I really don't want to get out of my comfort zone. So we take an entire month because it takes time for people to change. I am 24 hours busy with the group, how I can create a more beautiful and safe experience for everyone to be in this wow. I have learned this from Varesh. I've seen him over all the years that I've been working with him, and he never gave up on anybody.
Now, when I was 18, I had severe depression and I was going to a psychotherapist in Milan. And I remember in a session I was crying and really touching deep things coming up. And very naturally I wanted to move towards her for a hug, to be held. I was really sobbing. And when I did that, she was frozen. She was a piece of ice. And what I found when I came here at Team University with the way Viresh trained us is to always go for the love in your heart, to be human with yourself and people. To be a therapist doesn't mean I am here and you are here. I care for you, I reach out for you, I see when you need my hug. I even anticipate that need that you have, to be held, to feel safe, so you can really let go and I can give you the love you need, because this is what I got from Viresh.
The greatest gift I received from Varesh was his unconditional love. He loved me for who I was, not for what I did. So that's my motivation. I want to pass that on to everybody that I can come in contact with. And I'm learning every day how that can look like and how that feels like, and it's just absolutely beautiful.
Viresh gave us this unconditional love. And this is what we give to you and anybody who would come in our care. So he always gave me as a line, Isha, be yourself. And this is what I want to give to everybody who comes to the wow, to come into our own hearts and take the risk to come out with the truth, with your sensitivity, with your passion, with your totality. Courage, fun, and healing.
You just have to copy me and Isha. We have fun and we are playful in the way we guide this group. We will do outrageous things. We will listen to Rammstein in our discotheque, and we'll dance and we'll dress up. One day we might dress up as punks. The other we might dress up as angels. We will have fun doing this amazing adventure roller coaster ride together.
So we release to find that openness in our heart and feel close to people, connected to our love and to our emotional world, to be more grounded and present in the moment and total in our energy.
Communal therapy is the most beneficial therapy because when you leave the session room, you have an opportunity to immediately practice your insights and apply them in your daily life in the community.
At the end of the wow, you will feel more happy, more open, alive, in contact with your heart, connected with people around you, feeling home, centered, and clear where you want to go in life.